Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making Chrome ready. Update to the latest version and enable hardware acceleration so graphics run smoothly. Next, sign into your Google account because you'll need it for the Play services or remote linking. Once done, allow necessary extensions and pop-ups. They're required for the emulator or streaming tool to communicate. This prevents permission errors later and makes sure downloads and controller input work without interruption. Now you pick the method: an Android emulator extension in Chrome or a cloud/remote streaming option. Install Play games or log into Google Play inside the emulator so Clash of Clans can be downloaded and progress saved. Configure controls next. Map keys for attacks and camera. Adjust DPI and resolution for responsiveness. Make sure the emulator's performance mode is set to high, and test one attack to confirm input, latency, and visuals meet your expectations. Finally, download Clash of Clans and sign into Supercell ID or Google to sync your village. Once loaded, tweak in-game graphics and sensitivity so troops respond exactly when you tap or click. Lower settings reduce lag. Play a quick raid to confirm sync and controls. If something goes wrong, stuttering, failed login, or missing controls, clear the emulator cache, update GPU drivers, or restart the emulator. These steps fix most connectivity and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.